How to make money on people per hour as a language translation specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a visitor looking for a language translation specialist, I will just go to the search box in here, click on search freelancers, and here I'm going to enter the skill I'm looking for, language translation specialist, and then click on the search, and all of those are the freelancers that are doing the skill I'm looking for. So here you can see how much they're making, their descriptions, and everything about those freelancers. So in order for you to be just like those ones, to have your own profile in line with those other freelancers, I'm going to show you how in this video. So let's go back to the first page. Let's click on the logo, and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then you will proceed to creating your account, and here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password, and then click on login. And here, as you can see, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's go with apply now. After that, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, you drop your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title. And as an example, award-winning web developer, or you can just go with language translation specialist. Then you enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills you can add is 15, so make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start with language, and here we have just the programmation languages. We have a language teacher. Let's go with language again, and here I made a mistake. Language, we have Visual Basic Programming, Kotlin, Apple. I'm going to go for translation. And here we have English translation, French translation, Arabic. Let's go with English translation. And that's it for the skills. Then we proceed to the description. So here, describe yourself to buyers. So guys, in order to make a decent description for your profile, the method I like to use personally is going to the search box in here and searching for freelancers like me who are doing the same skill like mine, and seeing their descriptions, checking what are they doing differently than the others, how are they describing their skill, how are they talking about themselves and their experiences. So here, let's check those people's descriptions. For example, like this one, let's check her description. She's an MBA qualified copywriter. She got 160 sales, and this is her description. And from the get-go, you'll notice that this is a very long description, and just from seeing it, it made me bored. It's making me getting bored. So I'm going to close this one and go for someone other's description. I'm going to check this one. So here his name is UDIT, guest posting expert. Let's read his description, guest posting and SEO. And from the get-go, you'll notice that this is a very good description. It's short, not very long, and it's well organized. As you can see, guest posting and SEO, explainer video, 2-dimension custom animated pro video. So he's doing a lot of skills, and since 2010 I am working with animation and SEO industry, guest posting expert. Initially started as a content creator. Now I have my own agency which not only provides services like animation and web design, but also allows to build new sites from scratch, media marketing, graphics design, and much more. I now have over 8 years online experience and work as an animator and SEO expert. My thrust to learn new things and genuine enthusiasm for all things technical have provided me with a vast range of skills, including guest posting, web design, graphic design, social media promotion, video editing, graphics or magazine design, animation, and project management. My other main passions are traveling, so I now work as a full-time freelancer and spend as much time as I can on the road, experiencing new countries and cultures while working for my much loved clients via the wonderful means to the internet. So this is a very decent description in order to take as your inspiration. So after you're done with getting inspiration, you go back to your profile in here and click on the profile button, and then you'll proceed to this place. Then click on edit in order to edit your profile, and here you can edit your profile picture, cover image, your job title as well, your skills. You can edit the description as well, and you can drop your portfolio if you have one in here. You can add up to 70 files or a total size of 100 megabytes, and then you can add your location as well and your industry expertise, and you can select your hourly rate, and if you want to change the currency you can do that. Then you can drop your phone number as well. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.